guys, my name is Tanishq and today I am going to tell you how to make origami butterflies. You need a square sheet of paper. Fold it into half and again a half. Now open it. Put a finger in it and press it down. Do the same from the other side also. Will be like this. For a better look, I am going to fit it in a curve. Open it and take this like this and fold this also. You'll have like this. Now, can you see this tongue? Fold it backwards. And now, press it like this. So it will be steady. Now if you want a better look, you could put a little flower or any rhinestone on it. Bye guys, please like and subscribe.